Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add blurry border to your video in CapCut PC. So first you can select your videos or just photos you like to edit. Alright, to select a video and just going to basic and scroll down. We find contrast, just turn on it and select blur. We can let the blur and you can resize, change for the scale, and you can see this is the blurry border your video. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much.